Meet the Indian fox, also known as the Bengal fox, a clever, adaptable little canid found across India's dry grasslands and scrublands. With its large pointed ears and bushy tail tipped in black, this nocturnal hunter thrives on insects, rodents and fruits. It plays a key role in keeping grassland ecosystems balanced. But their numbers are shrinking. India's grasslands, once teeming with life, are vanishing fast. They are converted for farming, mining and urban projects. Today, Indian fox populations are declining across much of their range, especially in central and southern India. Through Project Aquarius, Earth Brigade Foundation helps protect grassland ecosystems by installing solar-powered water pumps that bring safe drinking water to wildlife. These pumps help sustain life in India's arid landscapes because every drop counts, especially in the wild.